Traders, I'm looking at Avalanch on the 4-hour chart. At the moment, this is having a bit of a structural shift. You know, even if we go out to the daily, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay, so we've got this on the daily time frame. This really nice bullish shift here. Okay, now if we go back down to the 4H, I'm looking for a buy opportunity only if certain conditions are met. So what I want to see play out is, in fact, you know, we can just do that with this trendline tool. Do something like that. Go down to the time frame, so go down to a 1-hour chart. All right, see how, you know, it trends, and then you get this break of structure and higher highs, higher lows. I'm just looking for exactly that. One tool that I don't mind using is the anchored VWAP. And you can see that this is pulled right back into VWAP. Okay, that's ideal. All right, so I'm going to be looking for a buy. I mean, look, this could trade south. That's fine. But I will be looking for a buy opportunity more than anything. If we grab this one, I like these tools, by the way, the anchored volume profile. Just throw it in back there, because that will give us a really good idea where the support and resistance levels are. Right here, you can see this balance area through here. That'd be a strong, well, that's a target. So you can use this tool for targets and stop loss levels. So at the moment, it's trading under the point of control. I want to see it break above the POC. Look, it could trade south. That's a possibility, right? So yeah, that's possible. But what I want to see is if it breaks structure here. In fact, what I would prefer to see would be that it ranges here a little bit. And then we see a bit of a shift here. But it's got to come back and retest this this point of control. This is really important. Okay, if it breaks and we get that, a pullback into here, I'd be looking to buy. And my note will be a buy note, which I've already got. Note buy, go okay. Buy on bullish break of structure and retest of the range. If this doesn't play out, then we abandon the idea. So this down here is a possibility, right? But that would be my cue for a an entry long. What else can I say? I mean, look, that's probably about it. It's short and sweet. That's my take on Avalanche, guys. I would be delighted if you were to. Oh, hang on, we've got to do a few other things yet. To comment below, that would be fantastic. So these are targets, okay? So that would be the base of this range here. See, it coincides with that high. I would go here for a target, and this one here. Have a look left. See the high over here. All right, that would be another target, slightly under that. So that's how you can use the volume profile. Now, if that's an entry, if we, you know, we get to plan your trade, right? So there's an entry. I would go under the low or under that. There's a, that's a 2R. That's a 2R outcome. Okay. Buy on a bullish break of market structure. There's your targets. There's your stop. See under here, look. See this? There's your stop loss level right through there. So, yeah, really fantastic tool, this, the volume profile. This is possible. So I'm just going to write a note. Possible, okay. All right. So I want to see the break and retest and fail here, and then that would be. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Look, I'm going to wrap it up. Definitely comment. That would be awesome. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.